Hi, my name is Atiqah and this is my husband.
I am Amalie
And welcome to our home.
We came across cozy ideas online and after reading their reviews, we liked it, so we gave a call.
And I spoke to them, we are very comfortable and their prices are quite reasonable, so we gave it a shot. Our brief to Cozy Idea is that we wanted a clean cut house to make it more spacious and with certain colour themes like grey, white and a little bit of black to make it modern yet classy with some Victorian details and marble finishings.
The whole renovation process was very smooth and our ID was also very responsive towards our queries and questions.
It was hassle-free and our ID helped to keep track of all the progresses.
Okay, for me, my favourite part of the house is the chillax room. That's where I have the raised platforms and that's why I can make noise with my music, continue to write music because that's where I feel inspired.
When our family come, then they will hang out at the room, they will just spend time there. For me, my favourite part of the house would be the settee area in the living room. That's where we spend most of our mornings drinking coffee, having breakfast, and it also serves as an extra sitting area for the living room. So we also like the feature wall in our living room, which has a Victorian frame to tie back to the theme, and this can also be found in our master bedroom.
For our master bedroom, our ID cleverly planned and utilised a space to provide an additional wardrobe for us so that we don't have to fight our space.
Also, in our master bedroom, there is a funny protruding column, and our ID managed to add a TV feature wall to make it neater. So another part of the house where we spend most of the time is in the kitchen. We hacked half of the wall to give an open concept, and we added some details to the cabinet like the black lining and the gold handles to tie back to the Victorian touch. Because I cook a lot, I'm very grateful for the marble design quartz kitchen top as it's very easy to maintain.
And we made that marble design run through both our bathrooms. I would advise for anyone who's embarking on a renovation, know your budget and stick to it.
As for me, my advice would be to stick to a theme so that it follows through the whole house. Yes, definitely. Without a doubt, we will recommend Cozy Ideas.
We love our beautiful home.
Thank you, Cozy Ideas.